When this magma exploded from the surface, it ripped apart tons of rocks with an ear-splitting blast. This mega explosion caused the loudest noise in recorded history. The striped pumice on Rakata proves that magma mixing was the trigger. But Krakatoa wasn't just the loudest volcano in history. It was a killer. Because Krakatoa itself was uninhabited, some of the volcano's first victims were at Ketimbang, a village on the southern coast of Sumatra. But Ketimbang is on the mainland, 20 miles from Krakatoa, and separated by the waters of the Sunda Straits. How these people fell victim to the deadly ashes was a mystery. To uncover the answers, we have to return to the scene of the crime, Rakata, and to these imposing white cliffs. They may seem part of an ancient landscape, but these 200-foot white cliffs were laid down in a matter of hours. They are what's left of a raging torrent of hot gas and rocks, a terrifying force of nature known as a pyroclastic flow.
Pyroclastic flows travel extremely quickly, so you can't outrun them. They're also extremely hot, several hundred degrees centigrade, so they will, if you're caught in the middle of one, they will incinerate you instantly.
Perhaps the most famous victims of a pyroclastic flow lie at Pompeii, the Roman settlement that was utterly destroyed during the eruption of Vesuvius in Italy in the year 79. The perfectly preserved remains of the people here are testament to the power of these fiery avalanches.
And most people die not because of 100% burns, but because they inhale the gases, which are so hot that they just destroy the air passage in the lungs instantly. And so after 2 breaths, you're dead.
The sheer size of the cliffs at Rakata have led geologists to estimate that the pyroclastic flows thrown out by Krakatoa were an amazing 2,800 feet high. But the victims of this deadly torrent were on the other side of the Sunda Straits. What happened next was truly astonishing.
Pyroclastic flows are ground-hugging. In other words, they follow the ground surface as they go down. But they also have an upper part which is very rich in gas, so it's low density. Now, when a pyroclastic flow hits the sea, the dense bit carries on down onto the ocean bed, but the gas-rich but still very hot bit goes hurtling across, scooting across the top of the water. There's virtually no friction between the gas and the water, so it can travel a very long distance.
Over 2,000 people at Ketimbang perished from the burning debris that could not just walk on water but run at amazing speeds of up to 200 miles per hour across 20 miles of open sea. The investigation into the Krakatoa volcano has pinpointed the extraordinary force that ripped the island apart.